Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meal channel. On this channel, we try to provide meals that are quick and easy that anyone can make. Our meals are not complicated. They're just simple, quick, and easy, and inexpensive. Let's see what we have on today's menu. Today, we're gonna make Portobello Mushroom Fajitas, where the Portobello mushrooms is the main part of the meal. So hopefully you like mushrooms. We're going to use olive oil, red pepper, pinto beans, green pepper, onion, and fajitas or tortillas. And we have an optional group of ingredients that you can add to make it even more tastier. Some optional ingredients to make it even more tastier is you can use cheese. We're going to use Mexican cheese. You can chop up some tomatoes and have tomatoes added. And of course, if you like sour cream on your fajita, you can add sour cream. These things could also enhance the flavor of your fajita, so you can use it or lose it. So let's get started. For this meal, plant-friendly meal, we will add some olive oil, get that heated up at medium heat. Once you get the olive oil heated up, you can add in peppers, wash them off, and then add those in, your peppers and your onions, for about 3 or 4 minutes. Let them get translucent. Next, we want to combine the drained and rinsed pinto beans. So let's get that all stirred in there, get that mixed in together for about another 4 or 5 minutes till everything softens up. Next, you can add your mushrooms and let those soften up. And at the same time, you can probably heat up your tortillas if you like them to be a little bit warm. So let's let these get tender, and then we're almost done. Now, we're gonna try to warm up a couple tortillas. That's optional. You can just use it straight out of the package, but I like to warm it up. Then we'll prepare our plate. Optional, you can put in some sour cream. Again, it's optional. Optional, you may want to add in cheese. I like to put the cheese on the bottom, whatever cheese you like, if you even want to add cheese. We're going to use the 3 Mexican cheese right there. That's what we're going to put in. And then we're going to add in our mixture with the mushrooms and the pepper. Now we add in the mushrooms and get some of the peppers and the pinto beans in there and the onions. Get that all in there. And again, optional if you like to add some tomatoes. So we'll add a little bit of tomatoes in there. And that just about completes our mushroom fajita. And here you have vegetarian lunch without meat. Very tasty. Hopefully you like mushrooms. That's the main source. But in the beans, very good. So enjoy your lunch. Please like and subscribe. Mushroom fajitas. Portabello Mushroom Fajitas. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meal channel today. I hope you liked today's selection. Look forward to seeing you next time.